So with the release of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, Samsung also released a update to the One UI 5.1.1. And this update, of course, was a major update as it did give us a flex mode panel addition on both devices. Now, as of today, Samsung has released that update to other foldable phones in the Galaxy Z Fold family. So the Z Fold 3, the Z Fold 4, etc. Now, as it says in this article, alongside the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, Samsung introduced the One UI 5.1.1 update, which is a focus on foldables and big screen features. Now, the update is extended to the older Galaxy foldables and tablets, rolling out starting today. Samsung One UI 5.1.1 brings a few new tweaks and features to the company's Android 13 skin. That includes, firstly, an update to the Flex panel on the Galaxy foldables. This feature is now available to trigger via a pop-up button when the device is partially folded. Flex panels media controls will also now support 10-second fast forward and rewind options with the ability to scrub through the media progress bar. Meanwhile, foldables and tablets gain ability to play content in the background or through a pop-up window on the Samsung's internet browser. There's also a two-handed drag and drop gestures for moving files and other pieces of content between apps, such as moving pictures between the gallery and the messages. Android's taskbar feature now supports showing up to 4 recent apps, assuring that there are 4 open slots in One UI 5.1.1, Galaxy Z Fold, and tablets. And as you can see, these are all the phones that are getting the upgrade. It goes all the way back to the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and this is why, you gotta say, Samsung will forever be king of the foldable phone market, because they continuously have proven over the years that they are going to continue to upgrade all of their devices. So if this was a Galaxy Z Fold 2, obviously it's a 5, but if it was a 2, I'm still getting the updates that I would be getting if I had a Galaxy Z Fold 5, which again, like I said, is a huge W. I can't stress that enough, especially when we see what happened with Microsoft with the Surface Duo 1 and 2, and how they kind of just scurried their tail away and refused to give us updates. Samsung is not doing that and not making that same mistake. And again, this does give customers that, feeling of like, okay, this company cares about me. This company, I'm not wasting my money. If I spent $1,800 back, 3 years ago, I could still use my Galaxy Z Fold 2 and still get updates as of 2023. So, shout out to Samsung for that. Shout out to them continuously putting out some really cool updates too. I mean, in all honesty, they could just push out security updates and that's it. And honestly, I'd be happy with that because obviously it's security of your device. But they're actually going above and beyond that. So shout out to them for that. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.